This is one way to solve this assignment. We need the rectangle. We need to move it in the y direction so many times and scale it. In order to scale it, we need to find the centroid. So here we go. Let us find the rectangle. Let us transform, move the rectangle. In which direction? Vectors, y vector, and we need a list of numbers. Sets, series. How many? Maybe 8 times. The step. Click, click. Let us make a numeric slider from 1 to 2.5 and connect it. Connect the series to the vector, and there you can see that we could start moving all those rectangles. Now, transform. Scale. Scale what? Scale each rectangle. In order to scale it, we need the centroid of each rectangle. Here we find the centroid. Let me move it away. And now we need to scale it in both, in the x direction and y direction. Let me connect this one to y, and let's see what happens when you move the slider. You see, it's a little bit tricky. Let us connect the list of values, which has to match the number of rectangles. The scale value from 1 to 5.0. And we want to start scaling at 1. So now we can disable the preview of the original rectangles, and there you have it. This is one way to solve this assignment.